Hallo MTV and welcome to my crab.
Crab.
Very nice. So for this episode we thought we're going to do something a bit different. Some of you guys have asked us to do an apartment tour, so this is what we're going to do today.
Follow me. So I think we should start with Sausage because she is like a part of our family and she has a very big follower base. This is Sausage. And Sausage is sitting on or in her new home, which is, I don't know how you say it in English, scratching pole? I don't know. It's her, look at that. It's her new home, so she's got 1, 2, 3, 4, like 6 floors or something. She's got these little baskets, but she's never really been in the basket. She's got a little house. She likes her house. She loves Sausage. And I don't think, maybe you can't see her because she's black and this is black as well. So sometimes we lose Sausage, we don't know where she is. And she's just hidden in her little house over there. And this is really cool because she's got a lot of scratching poles. She's got like little toys. And I think one of her favorites of this one is the little mouse over here. Can you see it? It's on a stretchy cord, so she really loves playing with it. She goes all out. We kind of assembled it ourselves, which was a huge task, but we love doing it for our little Sausage because we've had her for like 5 years and we wanted to give her a big present. Big Sausage. So, as you can see, she loves it. So, another thing we would like to show you is our decoration. So these are our flags, and we gave a New Year's Eve party with the team Black and Gold, and we bought these flags and we hung them up, and now we kind of really like them, so we don't want to get rid of them because we think it's cool and it looks fun. So yeah, we're not going to take them down anytime soon. This is our chilling area, the couch.
This is our second cat. He's called Mieu.
This is Mieu. We bought him at Facts, which is like small Comic Con of Belgium. Come here. This is a picture that Leo made for us. This is me and this is Leo. We were cosplaying at that time and he made a picture and then he put it on computer and he drew over it, and I love this picture because also we made it, I think, when we were together for only 2 or maybe 3 years, so not very long. We've been together for 8 years now, so this is really from back in the old days. So it's kind of good memories. And you want to show your PlayStation? Your Final Fantasy PlayStation?
Look, my PlayStation.
It's Final Fantasy. Let's move to, so these are our board games.
As you can see, we like play board games.
Yeah.
From time to
Oh
time.
shit.
And these are some trophies we use during such game nights.
Whoever is the winner gets a trophy.
Gather with our friends, play some games and distribute trophies.
Yes, it's loads of fun.
Mostly they are like silly things that we see in the store for €1 or something, but it is hilarious.
So fabulous. Do I need to show you like makeup?
Yay, okay.
These are our Dungeons and Dragons dice. So we love playing D&D as well. We started playing about in November, I think.
Yep.
Yeah, with a group of friends. Yeah, we kind of liked it and stuck to it, and it's fun. DVDs from the old days. We don't really watch them anymore that often.
Sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah. We have, I think we have like good classics. And of course Disney, lots of Disney. Yes, lots of Disney. Stop it. This is our table with our chairs.
Table chairs.
This is our little exercise thingy. Let's move to the kitchen. Kitchen. It's your territory.
Kitchen.
Kitchen. Good job.
This is my favorite part of our little home. This is where we also film all the episodes. You've already seen it in some of the episodes. So basically this is our setup. We usually take our trusted plank, put it here and start filming. And these are our super expensive high-tech lights from IKEA. You plug them in and you get pretty good light. If you don't break them.
That's our setup. Yeah.
There is a tripod here and we put it on the tripod.
Look, it's like we're filming an episode.
Gas stove, really important. Super handy, I don't know. Induction is also nice, but I still prefer gas. It's way more fun to cook with. So that's the kitchen, and here is the fridge, our mini oven. That's the only drawback to this, because this is not really an oven. This is a multifunctional oven. This is a microwave and a hot air oven. In our previous apartment we had a real oven, and it's way more fun to cook with and you can make bigger quantities. So that's a bit of a drawback, but the rest is super fun and super, so that's okay.
What's this?
Booze. These are bananas. They're full of potassium. This is our temporary quote-unquote bar. This is basically all of the alcohol we have. We put it here because we would like to buy some more storage room to display it better, but it's standing right here. By the way, this is delicious. Sailor Jerry.
Stop moving. Show the inside of the bottle.
Gotta catch him all. Sausage eating station. She didn't finish her meal. Sausage drinking station.
Number 1.
Number 2.
This is our bathroom. I am in love with this bathroom because in our previous apartment we didn't really have a bathroom. We had a sink which was in our bedroom, and then we had like a shower closet, just a shower that you step in and then shower. And here we have a bath, which I love, and also a shower. And then this is our toilet with our washing machine, and of course with sausages toilet next to ours. I don't think I can say anything else about this. It's just a toilet.
You can sometimes have a staring contest with sausage.
That's true.
While you're sitting on the pot.
And she's over there. And sometimes she goes to her toilet while we are going to ours, and it's really funny. Because you kind of feel connected in a certain way.
In a brown way.
Gross.
This is our business room. I don't know how to call it. Basically, this is the room where both of our desks stand, and where we can do work or edit videos or do work or draw. I don't know. What do you do in this room?
We do it's a bit of our everything room.
And also this room contains my collection of nerdy stuff. As you can see, it contains a bit of everything. Got some NES, Nintendo stuff, got Game Boys, got PlayStation, got Wii, GameCube again, Zelda stuff, a lot of stuff. And some of the stuff that I made myself, like a Thor hammer and Thor helmet for Tess when she went as female Thor, and also some consoles, as you can see, and my Final Fantasy stuff, which I love. Here's Cypher, Squall here, Cloud. This one I got as a present from Tess, which I'm really happy about. I like to buy stuff that are kind of quirky. This one is just special on its own. It's really fun to look at. And of course this one, the Heath Ledger Joker. Awesome.
Reflection. I like these little stuffs as well. Pikachu. Some more Game Boys. Sausage.
Sausage. Run away. Here we have all of our rollerblades. These are Tess's Inline Skates Aggressive, which she wore a couple of times, but she needs to learn to use these first. And these are my old Aggressive skates. Shadows. Oh, so beautiful. The summer is coming back, so these are going to be used quite a lot because I want to. And here I have some regular cruising skates. These are actually aggressive, but I put on a cruising frame on it just to roll around in the city. Oh, I can't wait. I'm kind of geeking out about everything. I want to show everything. This is the Harley bed that I made from Suicide Squad with little keys from Tess.
You made this all by yourself. I was so impressed.
It was fun to make. I like making stuff. This is from my latest cosplay. I kind of went for an outlaw warrior, and this is a mask that I made of a samurai-ish inspired mask. As you can see on the inside, it's still really shitty. But that's the outside, that counts.
Put it on. Can you put it on with your beard?
Yeah.
Your beard.
But you have this weird stuff here. I have a neck beard.
It's really cool though. Here's some more geeky stuff, Leo geeky stuff. This is my work stuff. And then we have, it's a pigeon! It's Leo. So funny.
Oh.
It's his pigeon mask.
Recreational pigeon mask.
Right, so these boxes we still have to replace with like the other IKEA stuff. This is our bedroom. So we have our bed from IKEA, which we really like because you also have storage underneath. Leo sleeps over there, I sleep over here, and Sausage sleeps over here. It's actually really cute because, yeah, when we go to bed, she comes to bed as well. Like here she is. And I put my onesie on here because it's very soft, she likes it, and then she falls asleep next to us and it's really calming. It's her little spot, she likes it.
She usually starts to purr and sleep.
Yeah, she purrs really loud.
It's like a sleeping machine. Put on like ocean sounds, we put on Sausage.
Yeah, that's true.
She used to sleep over here, but then she got bored and she doesn't sleep there anymore.
Yeah. So we put a chair next to us, which is nice. This is our closet, which I'm not going to open because it's messy.
It's not true.
It's not messy, but there were some clothes lying around and I just stuffed them all in here because I didn't want it to be on camera.
So this was the tour of our apartment. We really hope that you enjoyed it. And as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Ow, you smacked me.
Sorry. I didn't see you. Sorry.
Listen to me like this.
Bye-bye.